BDI has been in business since 1989. Since that time, we've tested over 600 structures around the world. We've installed sensors on all types of structures, including bridges, buildings, hydraulic structures, lock gates, radial gates, dams, soil sensors. We have two sides to our operation: a structural testing operation we also design and develop the equipment that we use. BDI offers three primary different types of strain gauge services. The first is in the field at the customer's facilities where we're doing contract strain gauging. We also have a laboratory which is fully equipped with all types of equipment to support quality installations here.
In addition to our structural testing and monitoring services, BDI also offers strain gauge installation at the client's facilities. Clients typically provide us with micromeasurement strain gauges and bonding systems. We are familiar with both the rapid cure adhesive and the pressure and temperature curing bonding systems. We are also familiar with the different types of coating systems available for micromeasurements. These include M-Coat A and M-Coat J. As with every BDI project, safety is of utmost importance. We put our technicians and engineers through a rigorous safety training, which includes OSHA safety training courses, respiratory protection, fall protection, and SPRAT rope access. We have developed our own in-house training courses, and we also use micromeasurement strain gauge workshops. BDI engineers and technicians have been cleared to work at facilities that require both ITAR and TWIC security clearances. So back in the lab, we have various different sorts of equipment for strain gauge preparation and installation. Not only do we have media blasters for the preparation, we have ultrasonic baths, and we have a heat curing oven.
We have electrical engineers, we have software specialists and hardware specialists. So from the ground up, we can design the data acquisition system to fit the exact application that they're working on. BDI is different because we're primarily structural engineers, and we're very good at going out to the field and collecting data. We know the kind of data that we want to collect. We've recorded building responses, we've recorded dynamic responses, vibrations. We are prepped and we can mobilize very quickly.
We'll hear from a client that they want to perform a structural test, and the first question that we ask them is why they want to perform this test. What information do they want to get out of it?
We know what kind of responses is going to be the most useful to evaluate that structure.
We'll then mobilize to the field where we'll go out there and we'll execute that instrumentation process and testing plan. We'll typically use our STS wireless equipment in order to capture data about the structural response.
BDI has been testing and monitoring structures since 1989, and we want to be your go-to source for your strain gauge installation projects. Our crews are knowledgeable, safety conscious, and we just work harder.